What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Two Phones for Free, back again with another informative video. Now, I know some of you all have seen the news. It's in the news. It's a good deal. This is MobileX. It's going to be a partnership with Walmart. You can actually go to the Walmart website right now, or if you got the Walmart app, you can search for MobileX, and this is what's going to pop up. Now, as of right now, you can order a SIM card, or you can download the MobileX application on Android, iOS, and you can sign up to the service that way. But for those that like physical things, those that like to go in stores and buy the cell phone service or SIM cards and plans, you'll be able to do that starting the next maybe a couple of weeks with Walmart. Now, this is going to be only exclusively at Walmart. This is MobileX. You got the SIM kit, starter kit for $9.88. Okay, this is going to be one of the first AI cell phone companies. Okay, they got a $10 SIM card again. Starting, you get for 10 days for free, and then after the 10 days is up, you can pay anywhere between $4 and $24.88. So let's just go through the screenshots real quick. Here we go. All right, so choose what you need, change when you want. All right, and then it says with every plan, get $10 credit when you activate. So every plan, starting right now for new customers, and everybody gonna be new anyway. Starting right now, everybody can get $10 in credit when you activate the SIM card, or you activate it right from your cell phone. And then the lowest personalized access is $4.08 a month. Okay, up to 10 days of free service, while the AI guided data learns and predicts your data usage. Okay, so then load the app, load what the app recommends, or any amount you choose, you're in control. All right, so keep this in mind. Basic unlimited 30, basic unlimited 5. All right, you get 30 gigs of high-speed data for $24.88. You can get 5 gigs of high-speed data for $14.88. All right, and this is also what the SIM card kit looks like. MobileX, you never lose any of the data you purchase. So also, basically what they're saying is you can roll over data too, which is like, you know, I kind of miss those days. Like, I think like the only carriers prepaid wise that have still is AT&T prepaid and TracFone. I think those are the only ones still with rollover data. I mean, for people with unlimited data, this video is not for you, but this is for people that want to save ton of money. I mean, ton of money. I mean, more money than everybody else spent. This is all facts. Okay, so and then let's take a look around the QR code option. All right, check your device compatibility and download the app. Again, like I said, you can download the app right now, 100% for free. Scan this QR code to ensure your device is MobileX compatible. Make sure that your device is paid off and unlocked with your current carrier. Okay, then next, scan the QR code to download or install the MobileX app. Choose either the personalized access or basic unlimited and create your account. All right, so that's self-explanatory, ladies and gentlemen. And then actually, if you got a TV, if you're watching this video on a smart TV via the YouTube app, you can actually queue or scan these codes right now. And matter of fact, I might even demonstrate that scanning the QR codes from an actual video, it actually works because your phone, you're using your phone's camera and it's reading the QR code. So this is why, you know, I praise QR codes. They're so powerful. Like I told you guys in the past, you can use your QR code to pay for your groceries and stuff like that. Like in Walmart, if you got Venmo or PayPal, them like the number 1 and 2 services that allow you to use a QR code in any store to pay for anything. All right. So keep that in mind. All right. I'll leave those links in the description box as well. But I think this is a game changer. Just for the simple fact, that's a lot of folks. It's a lot of folks like, I think, okay, this will be a great plan, even for grandparents, and adults, you know, parents, regular parents, and even for your little kid. So, the $4 plan, the $4 plan will be great for like anybody that just want to keep a phone service. Okay, $4 a month just to keep an active line. That's priceless in my opinion. So that right there is probably going to win a lot of people, grandparents and parents, especially that's using a mini track phone. Like, do you all know how much 60 minutes card costs on a track phone? Look, let's look it up. Let's look it up. We're gonna look it up right now, and this is comparisons. Let's type in track phone. All right. So this is going to be a game changer in Walmart. And I already been telling my customers about this service and showing them how to get to it. All right, track phone minis. My bad, it did something else. Hold on, let me see. Nah, it's talking about Motorola. My bad, y'all. Hold on. We're going to search that track phone mini. All right, here we go. Track phone. Boom, y'all. $19 for 60 minutes, y'all. Come on, bro. Ah, there we go again, acting up. Let me see. I don't know why I do that. Let me get back into it. Let's try this one more good time. Okay, there we go. There we go. We're gonna get it right this time. All right, track phone plans. All right, let's see. Look, boom. $19. $19.99 for 60 minutes, y'all. Y'all can get your grandparents and parents on something better. Now, don't get me wrong. It says basic phone minutes, 90-day prepaid plan, direct top up. Okay. And yeah, they got a $15 monthly for 30 days. Unlimited talking and text. Then you could add on an additional 1,000 text messages for $5. Track phone got too many add-ons, man. I mean, in my opinion, sound like text now to me. But hey, I'm just throwing it out there. But y'all give me y'all thoughts in the comment section below. What are your thoughts on MobileX? And are you going to try them out? Of course, you know your boy over here, 2 phones for free. Gonna try it out. And I already know a couple of my other YouTube buddies out there in the world, you know, gonna try out this MobileX or trying it out right now. So if y'all want to see more content about MobileX on this YouTube channel, please smash that like button, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, and I'll check you guys in the next video. Peace.